I'm performing to quite a few numbers from Murder 2. I'm also going to be performing to Chikni Chameli, which is one of my favorites for this year, and even songs from Reddy, Dinka Chika, which I think is going to get everyone crazy on the dance floor, I'm hoping. We just want to make sure that everyone is on the dance floor during my act. I'm not the only one performing, everyone else is also kind of dancing along. Some of the most entertaining acts, the songs of 2011, and I think it's really going to have everyone on the dance floor. Everyone's going to be having a great time. They've choreographed the acts so that we get everyone involved, and I think everyone kind of brings in the new year in a very, very good way. Well, costumes actually, I have two designers working on my look, and because there's two different acts. So we're just going to go with something very glamorous. It's the New Year, so I want it to be extremely loud, extremely glamorous, extremely blingy, and just to go along with the choreography, of course, as well. This year has been really good to me, and I actually wanted to start 2012 working because I feel that 2012, I'm hoping 2012 will be a very lucky year for me as well. So I just thought, why not? There's, people are buying tickets to come and see you, and you'll be actually with fans on your New Year, and I actually do want to start the year working this year. I'm pretty. Definitely, I'd have to say, the release of Murder 2 for me was a very, very big high because the movie had done so well. And even I think, working on Houseful 2, working, with such amazing people in Houseful 2, we had really, really great memories. 2012 is going to be, I think, a really important year for me. It's the most amount of releases I've ever had in a year. I've always had like a maximum of one release a year. But I think 2012 for me, I'm going to be having 3 releases. So it's just going to be a very exciting year for me. Of course, it's going to be focused completely on work. And I think just growing in my career. Obviously, if you're going to be married, then you have to be, one thing matters, and that's just being in love with the person.